Here I've got RUGGEAR RG850, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then locate and open security and location, and go to screen lock. And now just select the way of unlocking that you would like to apply, so it can be pattern, pin code or the password. I will choose pattern, and then click on yes to activate it. It's time to draw the pattern that you would like to apply. I will enter L letter, then click on next, and now draw it one more time for confirmation. Click on confirm to save it. And finally decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, or if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or smoothly hide all of them. And this is what I would like to choose, don't show notifications at all, and click on done. And that would be all. As you can see, from now on you would be able to unlock your device with this pattern only. So this is it. This is how you can activate screen protection in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.